Greeting people. Today we're going to take a quick look on how to create a project with multiple source files. Then we're going to compile, run, and debug in the project using IDE. And I'm currently using Visual Studio Code, so we're going to go with it. Starting up, you will open the main folder for your project by clicking onto this open folder. and find the location of your folder, or you can just choose the file on your upper right left corner and do the same option. Open folder, choose the place of your project, like project A, and select, and it will appear like this. Now you want to create files in the current project. Just clicking on the new file icon, this, in the upper left corner, new file, and now you're gonna type hello world, hello world, hello world .cpp. The extension of the name will determine the type of the file. So here I'm create a C++ file. You can just right click onto the folder and have the same option, new file, and type the name of it. The same thing goes with create a new folder. Like if you want to create a setting folder, if you want to set up something, you right click next on the setting, create a new file in it, like opening a.python. This extension will creating a Python file here. Now I'm gonna creating a hello world file, a typical one. It include iOS string in main dot std hello world std and lab. And now I'm gonna return it. And now I have a typical hello world file. Now we're gonna build it. We're gonna choose the terminal section, and we're gonna choose run build task. Or you can just press Ctrl+Shift+B. This will display a drop-down with various compiler task options. If you are using GCC toolset like MinGW, you should choose this drop like g++.exe. Choose this, and they will come, and the hello world cpp file will be compiled and creating a new hello world.exe file for you. Now we're gonna run the hello world file in the command prompt. In this command prompt or a new VS Code integrated terminal, you can now run your program by typing like /down, then name of the file like hello world, and enter, and and it will automatically run the file. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the output hello world like this. Now come to the final part, debugging. You do this when your program does not work correctly in a logical way, like you're gonna get infinite loop or overstack memory and so on. First, you're gonna choose the file you think that mostly is the cause of the problem. Like I have this file that used to that is used to create to solve a equation of the first degree equation. To now I want to choose this file. Second, click on the debug and run and debug icon on the left side, or on the left side this icon, or you can just press F5 debug on option, like, and you're gonna choose the same as like G++ SK view, and you're gonna click start debugging F5. The and it will turn on the debug mode. The debugger gives you many control options, like you can unpause your debugger with unpause your debugger. You can once you stop at a breakpoint, you can step over to continue. You can step into the stack like an function, and you can step out of the stack. Sometimes you just need to look up a value of some variable at some point. You're gonna need a breakpoint. A breakpoint is a stopping point which the program will hold to so that you can take a look at the program at that state. To make a breakpoint at a specific line, move your mouse over there, like over the column behind the number of line. And click at the line you want to break. Click onto the line and break, and this will add a red dot at that location. As you can see, now now I have started the debugger, and you can see the program now currently stopped at the line 23, which has a breakpoint in here. The current variable a, b, x is currently holding just value because I haven't like have an impact on it. Now I jump to the next breakpoint, and the variable a turned into 2 after after the after the 23 line here. And I step next. I jump to the next breakpoint. B will hold the value of -5. One more jump to line 26. This line has a function. Now I want to see what will happen inside of that function. I choose step into, and the program will continue its action inside that function. It jumps from the line 26, it jump over to line 8, which is where is the start of the equation solve function. Step, step, step. And now And now we out of that function. Step. And now we out of that function. Continuing step. Continuing, and we at the end of the program. And that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching and see you the next time.